Hello my fellow art friends, welcome to another easy drawing tutorial by Apache Revealed. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a monkey. This one I think is going to be a little bit more of a time consuming one of getting the actual lines out. But what you need for this one is a pencil, a rubber, some markers or some coloured pencils, and obviously paper. So, what I'm going to start off with is the face for this one. I will probably recommend using your pencils for this one and not going straight to a Nikon or a marker, just for the fact that I actually had a few retries of doing this one. So, what we want to do first is a smiley face circle, or U, a big U on here. Just like so. Okay, and then we want to draw some eyes. So yes, we're doing the eyes first this time. So we're just doing some circles for the start. 1, 2, like so. Next we're going to do the mask of the eyes. So it's like an M, just like that. Alright, next we draw his happy smiley face. So we're going to draw it. They're always cheeky, so a very big smile, and then like so. And then why not finish it off with the nose, and it's just some teardrops that are bending inwards. So like 1, see, like 2. So they're teardrops bending in. Next we do the head. You might want to use a bit of duct tape or sticky tape or something like that to get the roundness, but we still need to make it oblongish. So what we do is we going to stop up here because we're going to give him some flicks, but we do a circle-ish semicircle like so, then some flicks for his hair, and then we come back down like so. And then we draw his ears. So you'll find this one's a bit different. We're drawing the top body completely before we move down. It's just easier that way. I've tried a few ways. Alright, for now, for his eyes, his actual eye pupils, we draw another little circle inside, another little circle inside like so, and then a big round one like that, leaving a little bit of space on the outside, because what we want to do is quickly colour in like so. So you can see the cheeky monkeys coming along already. Now we want to do his arms. So they come down like here at a V sort of thing. So this is where your perspection of things. So I would probably use a ruler going, okay, that's where I want to stop for his arms, and come down like so, and then his inside like so. So you know you're stopping pretty close to that line, which will because we're doing exactly the same thing over the other side. Like so. So the ruler lines gives you a direction, because if you go nowhere, you can start drawing all the way down. And then obviously they got a bit of fur on their hands. We just want to like that. Now we do his belly. And then we do another bit, is circle in the inside for his actual belly. Like so. Now, the hands, you can do it 2 ways. You can draw his fingers individually, which is like this, and then coming up like so. Or you can draw them, if that's too hard to work out, come around this way and then draw your lines together and then do a line in the middle like that. So the toes, this way gives you a definition of toes. This way gives you just one big loop with lines. I always prefer to draw this way. It just gives them a little bit of definition in the fingers. And now all we need to do is his feet or his legs. And it's just outside because he's sitting down. That's how we've got him crouched. And they're just another looking ear kind of thing. And then his hair. Again, out here. In his hair. And then we do the feet again, exactly the same. All right, there's our funny monkey. Now all we need to do is fast colour. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to catch the next lesson and keep up to date with all my videos. If you have Facebook or Instagram, come follow me on my pages or my ventures. Links are below. See you at the next lesson. Happy drawing.